Dear students, till now we have discussed the types of triangles based on sides. There are three types of triangles based on sides. Scaling triangle, where all the sides are different. Isosceles triangle, where two sides are equal and one side is different. And in equilateral triangle, all the sides are same. Now let me discuss another type of triangles classification based on angles. See, in the previous class we have learned different types of angles. We have discussed about 6 types of angles. But here only we are classifying triangles based on these angles. Only few angles will be taken. That we are going to discuss here. See, now let me write a triangle. See, now we are considering only the measurement of angles. I will give you the measurement of angles. Let me take it as 60 degree. Let me take this one as 90 degrees and let me take this as 30 degree. See, all the angles I have given. See, when you sum up all the angles of a triangle, the sum should be 180 degree. 90 plus 60, 150, 30, 180. Now, when you look at this triangle, one of the angle is 90 degree. See, you can notice here. This is exactly 90 degree. When it is exactly 90 degree, when one of the angle is 90 degree in the triangle, we call that one as right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. See, only one angle should be 90 degree. Another angle will never be 90 degree because if it becomes 90 degree, they will become parallel lines. So, only one angle should be 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, we call that as right angle triangle. Now, I will draw another picture. See, I have drawn a triangle here. You see, I have mentioned the measurement of angles as 120 plus 25, 145, 35, 50, 180, totally 180 degrees I have mentioned here. Now, I would like to ask one by one because in the previous class I have introduced the types of triangles. Now, Satvik, you please tell me 35 degree. What kind of an angle is it? Vishal, 35 degrees. What kind of an angle?
Sir, acute angle.
Very good, excellent. It is an acute angle. Less than 90 degree, acute angle. 25 degree. Raghav.
Sir, acute angle.
Very good. That is also acute angle. Now, Sahana, you please can you tell me 120 degree. What kind of an angle is it?
Sir, obtuse angle, sir.
Excellent. It is obtuse angle triangle. See, when one of the angle is obtuse angle, the meaning of obtuse angle, can anybody tell me? Sai Prasad, can you try to elaborate what is the meaning of obtuse angle?
Sir, above 90 degrees, sir.
Above 90 degree and below?
Below 1 degree.
Very good, excellent. You have provided me with the right answer. Obtuse angled triangle. Here, if any one of the angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, means if any one obtuse angle is present in this triangle, any triangle, that triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle. Now let me go to next topic. See, I will draw a picture. (55 degrees), 65 degrees, 60 degrees. See, generally I have given like this. 55 degrees, 65 degrees, 60 degrees. See, when you look at the angles, they belong to, all the angles are of same time. All the angles are of same time. Can anybody name, Satvik, can you try and name what kind of angles are they?
Sir, acute triangle.
Acute angles. All these are acute angles only. 60 degree, less than 90 degree, acute angle. 55 degree, acute angle. And 65 degree also, less than 90 degree. That is also acute angle. When all the angles are acute angles, we call that one as acute
Acute angle triangle, sir.
angled triangle. Okay. See, till now we have discussed about the types of triangles based on angles. Now let me have a recapitulation. Now first question. How many types of triangles are there based on angles? Vishal, can you try and tell me? Vishal, how many types of triangles are there based on angles?
Sir, 3.
Very good. 3. What are they?
Equilateral triangle. Sir, right angle triangle.
Very good.
Sir, acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle.
Very good. Excellent. See, 3 types of triangles are there based on angles. One is right angle triangle, another one is obtuse angle triangle, and next one is acute angle triangle. Now, let me ask one more question to Raksha. Raksha, there is a triangle in which the angles are like this: 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees. Can you name the triangle based on angles? 45 degrees.
Sir, right angle triangle.
Excellent, very good. 45, 90, 45. See, 90, right angle is there. That's why it is a right angle triangle. Are there any student with whom I did not interact? You tell me your names, if there are.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now the question is for Yash only. See, there is a triangle, Yash, in which the
Sir,
angles
also
are like
random.
this. See, there is a triangle like this. In that, the angles are like this: 135 degrees, 25 degrees, and 20 degrees. Can you name the triangle?
Obtuse angle, sir.
Excellent, because one angle is there which is more than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is there. That is obtuse angle
It's
triangle.
below 180 degree and above 90 degrees, sir.
Yes, yes. Now the last question is for Yashvita. Yashvita, now I am giving here like this. See, there is a triangle in which the angles are like this: 60 degrees, 50 degrees, and 70 degrees. What kind of an triangle it could be?
Sir, obtuse angle.
Obtuse. Can you find an obtuse angle here, ma? Obtuse angle, can you find it here? Obtuse angle means the angle should be more than 90 degree. Are there any angle which is more than 90 degree? No, you cannot find it. 60 is not more than 90 degree. 50 is also not more than 90. 70 is also not more than 90 degree. Now, keeping that in your mind, can you revise your answer? You can revise your answer. You try it. Now, obtuse angle triangle, it is not that one. Can you try it? ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, shall I give you the answer? See, since all the 3 angles are acute angles, it is,
Sir, it is obtuse.
yes, acute angle triangle. See, don't feel bad. Don't feel hesitant. Try to answer. Though it may be right or wrong, don't worry. You give your answer. Then only I can understand how much of the concept you have understood. Okay. Thank you, students, for participating in this.